Good day, Maradyaw na adlaw. Let's talk about Siargao tourism. Ano na nga ba ang nangyayari ngayon? Over the past 5 years, Siargao tourism experienced a significant growth of international tourist arrivals as well as domestic arrivals. Last 2012, international arrivals reached to 13,626. After 5 years, in 2017, it reached 34,678 international tourist arrivals. Hindi pa kasama ang massive increase of domestic tourists na nakikita sa Siargao. So after 5 years, it increased by 43%. The period saw a rise in both international and domestic arrivals, but this growth was interrupted by the typhoon which caused widespread distraction affecting infrastructure, livelihoods, and tourism economy. This happened last December 2001. Super Typhoon Odette caused extensive damage to the island. Many resorts were damaged, destroyed, leading to unemployment of those in tourism industry. At kung ikaw ay nakabisit sa Siargao lately, kung mapapansin mo, 80% of the building nearby Tourism Road is bagong gawa o di kaya ay bagong renovate. After 2021, what happened to Siargao next? Tourism has soared from roughly 13,600 international arrivals in 2012 to nearly 54,000 in 2023. Not only that, domestic travel has surged too, jumping from almost 124,000 visitors in 2018 to over 476 in 2023. Wait, there's more. A staggering increase for an island with around 150,000 residents, foreigners, and locals. Figures is according to CNN News Travel. Now question, what happened in 2024 and 2025? National issues affecting Philippine tourism in 2024 to 2025 includes limited air connectivity. Limited air and inadequate air connectivity is a significant barrier restricting tourist access to popular destinations. Oh yeah, hindi ako galit pero ito po ang mga news na nakikita natin sa reports sa ABS-CBN, GMA na mahal ang flights. Siyempre, mahal ang flights ng mga foreigners kasi walang direct flights from foreign country direct to Siargao. Kailangan pang connecting flights. But here's the good news. May mga ginagawa ng ating mga government to address this kind of issue. Expansion of Del Carmen Airport. Not only that, to go vessel traveling from Manila to Siargao cheapest price. Tsaka hoya, ang dami ng negative comments sa Facebook kung ano na nangyayari ngayon sa Siargao. At hindi lang Siargao ang nakaka-experience ng mababang occupancy rate. Ang iba ngay halos wala ng customer, lead them to close. Question, safe pa ba ang mag-invest sa Siargao? The answer is super 100% yes. You can call me anytime for more details.